scrubber is an innovative, dual-sided scrub pad that revolutionizes car interior cleaning. On one side, it features modern fibers with exceptional cleaning properties, and on the other, microfiber similar to what is found in our breeze. The scrubber is perfect for quick and efficient cleaning of plastic, rubber, and leather upholstery. Its small size allows it to reach the most difficult areas, and its high durability ensures long-term use. Made from renowned Korean microfiber, it boasts high-quality yarn, durability, and exceptional water absorption.
Expand your detailing assortment with professional accessories from the Work Stuff brand.